is Sherry, and Sherry's issue is her legs.
Yes.
She says, as women of every size do, she's most self-conscious about cellulite and varicose veins.
Everybody has
People
them,
that work hard have varicose veins.
Do not cover up something that you're afraid of.
A lot of people have this issue.
So,
Let's see Sherry
come
and
on,
her
Sherry.
lovely legs.
So we went with the sheer. Right? And I love this. This is fun. I love this. So what we wanted to do was to give you a celebration of a body part that you might have felt a little bit insecure about. Give you the slit, like a little mini skirt underneath, but also something very current. And a print that you don't actually need to have the print, but I like the whole dress, I like the whole look, and I like that you can see your beautiful legs.
Do you feel a little bit more confident?
Very pretty, beautiful in this. It hides a lot of stuff,
but you feel like you have coverage at the same time.
Coverage, but it shows a little bit of thigh and sexy, so it makes me feel great. And
It satisfies you,
yeah.
right? Enjoy.
Okay, so now Liz.
Yes.
Liz has a self-conscious problem with her chest area. Too big,
Yes.
too small. I think she's insecure about a small chest.
That's right. What we're trying to address today is what kind of angle of your top or the cut or the drape is going to look good to give you a little bit more of an ample bosom.
There's
right?
the before.
And that, you know, really don't see any chest right now. And there is, please,
Come on out,
come on
Liz,
out.
Let's see.
So great.
Completely counterintuitive too. She's covered up. This
That's
isn't
right.
about pushing up and
deep
bringing all the girls
neckline. No.
up here. This is about very elegant.
Exactly.
This look.
A nice trim pant line with a kick on the, a little kick on the bottom and a nude shoe, but the halter top cuts up into the neckline and adds width. And so it's really giving you a little bit of an illusion that you have a larger breast line. Also, you have a strapless bra on with a tiny bit of a little bit of a filler on the bottom and an underwire. So if you need a little help, a little bit of ampage to the area of your breasts, perhaps you want to have a bit of a padding, not thick, not deep, because you don't want to have a deep plunging neckline.
No,
but
you
this
don't want
looks
to build
just
a
great.
ridge there,
No,
right?
no, 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 no.
Right.
This is natural. This looks great for your shape, your structure, and it's just
Liz,
you
do you
look great.
feel comfortable
I
in
love
that?
it. I do. I feel so comfortable.
The smile on your face.
I know.
Yeah,
I really do love it. I love the shirt. It's extremely versatile.
yeah,
Wonderful.
Okay, then Jennifer is very
Thank you.
self-conscious about her arms. This is Jennifer before.
I want us to just kind of bash that myth and get women celebrating going out and swimming and getting excited, getting
Being
back
active,
into
right?
being active and showing your arms in a way that satisfies an insecurity but also celebrates that body part.
And she's so beautiful,
Oh
too.
yeah,
Look at
wait till you see it. Wait till you see it.
Jennifer, come on out. Let's see.
Jennifer!
So now, first of all, Jennifer, you look smoking hot.
Smoking.
Thank you. But would you be comfortable taking the jacket off too?
Let me practice this back
Yeah.
Oh. Yes! Very nice. So
she just threw her butt out at you. That was hilarious. No, I like this. You're showing a little bit of skin without
shoulder.
things that you're uncomfortable about.
Absolutely. Yeah, I was uncomfortable with just the fab of it, you know.
Yeah.
But now, you know, you can show a little.
Oh, I
you
know
can even
you're
show
happy.
more.
I can
I want to see you in dresses and tops that have like even a sheer flutter sleeve and also even deeper slit here.
Baby steps,
Yeah.
baby.
Okay.
Baby
Absolutely.
steps.
Yeah, but you look so wonderful.
No,
How-
she's
I feel
feeling
amazing.
it.
I
Yeah.
feel amazing.
Ponte
and-
pants with a nice seam up the front, so it gives you a nice illusion, a nice long look.
A nice tall look, and the shoes disappear.
Yep.
Right? A
they
nice
do.
heel.
A nice column. I love your jacket too. Every single woman needs to have a
Oh,
moto.
You have to have
right?
a moto jacket.
Oh,
every
yes.
man and woman. They look great on men
Yes.
too.